Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It's 11:23. We're coming into the close of Europe in 7 minutes. Some of it is closed already 23 minutes ago, and the rest will be done in just over 6 minutes now. And I'm waiting to see if we're going to get a reversal here on this day. We've had a nice extended move up here, as you can see on the 30-minute chart. Let me just delete these EMAs to keep this nice and clean. Focus on how we've tapped zones here. Two important zones from yesterday on the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the S&P here very quickly. More or less the same thing. Not quite tapping the zones, but it's the equivalent on the zones on the NASDAQ, of course, and something here similar on the Dow. I'm watching the NASDAQ in particular. It's quite a significant run up, fairly clean. I like the clean attitude of it, should we say, or nature of it this morning. And now looking for a potential short in through here. As always, I'll be cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments, things of that nature to keep this video nice and tight for you. And we'll see if we have an opportunity here. Let's take a look at the Three Sisters on the VWAP chart. There it is. That's the open range, 1 minute open range, guys. Now we're pulling back towards VWAP reversion move, if you like. And we'll see if we can take this thing even further this afternoon. This 30-minute candle closes in 4.5 minutes. When it does, if we get a break below, I may in fact take a short here. All right, guys, we're back. This candle closes in 1 second. There it is. Looking for a potential short here. Gonna wait for. I'd like to see. I would have liked to have seen a nice bottom wick on that, and there wasn't one, which is a little bit troubling. But I'm gonna watching this here. I'd like to see a bit more of a top wick. That's not terrible at all, actually. Right there. Sell stop, getting ready. It's live, guys. Sell stop is live. And I'm in, guys. Short the NASDAQ. This is the actual entry over here. The primary target for this model is 1R. We'll also see what happens with the 1.5R and 2R models. See how they perform as well. I'll put you on pause, bring you back, and we'll talk more about this as it unfolds. And target 1 has been hit. So the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has moved their stop to break even because we had 1R. So they will either get 2R or they'll get break even and nothing in between. And as most of you know, the 1.5R and 2R all or nothing traders are sitting around here waiting to see what's going to happen with their game. This is a textbook zone reversal trade, guys. I don't love the fact that it's going into or has gone into the twilight zone. I often sit lunch out. Twilight zone is the lunch hour after around 12, so 12 noon till about 1. Certainly 12 noon till 12:45 or so, and then I like to be back by the 1 o'clock candle in the afternoon. That's New York time, of course. But this candle had already broken the uptrend, nice strong uptrend, by the way, at 11 o'clock. So it was an 11 o'clock candle. Set the stage. I wanted to see that one break and close, which it did. Then the new candle, if that one broke the low, then I could see that this was going to be a concerted effort to sell down this thing in the afternoon. That is in fact exactly what's playing out. Target 2 has been hit while I was speaking, and so the 1.5R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability as well. Only the 2R all or nothing trader is remaining here. I'll put you back on pause. But again, guys, textbook zone reversal. I took a trend continuation trade this morning on the way up. Nice 2R win going up this way, and now around lunchtime, now during lunchtime, of course, taking it back down again. Bearish daily, of course. Bullish moving average configuration on the daily, but bearish action, as you can see. We're about to hit, I believe, 2R here as well. Let's see if we can do that while I'm still here with you live. And there it is, guys. Target 3 has been hit. And so the 2R all or nothing trader has left the game as well. As a matter of fact, all 4 models are fully profitable. Never came back from hitting 1R to the break even. Trade took a little while, but not too long. And as a matter of fact, it's what time is it? It's 12:29. We're not even through the twilight zone yet. So here's one of those occasions when trading during the twilight zone was actually a good idea, and the movement was price action and movement was quite clear and clean. So sometimes it makes sense, especially when there's been a very significant unbroken move. And this is one of my criteria, by the way. I know I'll be asked why I chose to do this today. It has to do with the clean action, the extended move on NASDAQ, the 1, 2, 3, 4 large white candles against a very bearish daily. Whenever you see that kind of counter move, very often the reversal can begin early, like we saw yesterday, by the way, on the Dow, for instance. And that was a move that I didn't take because I wanted to stay out, as I was actually locked into the trade too. But you get the idea. Thanks for being here, guys. It's 2 trades today, 4R. I may be done for the day. It's been very profitable. Took the long up on the NASDAQ and the short back down again. And it's not even the end of the twilight zone. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for clicking the like button, for saying hi in the comments. I do appreciate you. We'll see you again next week, if not this afternoon. Take care.